President Emmerson Mnangagwa this week approved a sweeping round of military promotions, elevating 43 officers in a move analysts say aligns with the long-standing strategy of consolidating political power to the security establishment. Sarabila Mashkobran watching ED in mass military promotions as power struggles deepen. Remember, subscribe or like or turn the bell. On Monday, Mnangagwa promoted 15 senior army officers to the rank of colonel. By Thursday, another 28 majors had been elevated to Lieutenant Colonel Josiah Magama Tongogara Barracks in Harare. Since independence in 1980, Mnangagwa has relied on the security sector, particularly the army and intelligence services, to consolidate his political position. As a state security minister in the 1980s, he oversaw the CIO during the Gugura-Hundi era and helped architect ZANU-PF's intelligence-driven dominance. Later, as defense minister and vice president, he deepened relationships with the key commanders, including those who eventually orchestrated the 2017 military coup that propelled him to the presidency. Since taking power, Mnangagwa has consistently used strategic promotions, killings, retirements, reassignments, and diplomatic postings to maintain leverage over the military. He has rotated commanders, promoted loyalists from Liberation War generation, and elevated younger officers aligned with his faction in ZANU-PF. Promotions of this scale are therefore viewed not merely as routine administrative decisions, but as part of Mnangagwa's broader effort to secure loyalty ahead of intensifying succession battles. Monday's ceremony was presided over by Lieutenant General Asha PANE, Mnangagwa's close ally, former CIO Deputy Director EX-FAS, boss and now commander of the Zimbabwe National Army. He openly praised Mnangagwa during the parade. In quotes, "Your promotions come directly from His Excellency, the President Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces," Mane said. You have worked with your promotion, you deserve this elevation. This is a milestone achievement." He reminded officers that their new ranks carried increased responsibility and heightened expectations. In recent months, senior military figures have been repositioned into strategic roles. Former Chiwenga allies have been killed, retired, or reassigned. Intelligence operatives close to Mnangagwa have taken over sensitive portfolios. Internal officials have widened over succession timing ahead of the next ZANU-PF elective congress. Analysts say Mnangagwa's accelerated military promotion are intended to show up loyalty within the army ranks as the internal contest of power grows sharper. Thursday's promotions were officiated by Brigadier General Administrative Staff Christopher Rangwana, who echoed Mnangagwa's emphasis on loyalty and national service. Doma Shoko Aripo, tuze mafunguro enyi motudipa msirope chitko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.